Good morning, good having lunchtime. Ladies and gentlemen, dear colleagues, allow me to open the award ceremony of the Urban Design Award, which is a scheme our faculty together with other universities organized already for 28 years. First of all, let me welcome the guests, speakers, Professor Dalibor Hlaváček, Dean of the Faculty of Architecture, and Jakub Cigler, Head of the Department of Special Planning, and Docent Jan Mužík, a former founder of that venue. May I ask the Dean, Professor Dalibor Hlaváček?
Good afternoon. I would like to welcome you here on the Faculty of Architecture in Prague, the Urban Design Awards. This competition gradually became the part of our life here on our faculty. We are proud to have such a competition alongside other competitions like the Dean's Awards or a competition we can see. And because of the organizers of this competition, with the head of the Department of Spatial Planning, I see that this competition is gradually improving the quality in organization, but also in the quality of projects. And I'm very happy for that. And I'm very happy that we can host this competition here. As far as I know, this year it has been 8 universities which took part in this competition, and the independent jury had to assess around 70 projects, which I think is very nice, and I would like to congratulate the winners, but not only the winners. I think all the students who did the projects should be proud of their work. Why we like to have competitions? There's 2 reasons. One is that I think it's a great opportunity for us to present a great student work. And the second opportunity, or the second reason, is that it's an opportunity to speak about the quality of education and to discuss how we can improve the education further. And I think this competition works exactly in this way. But I'm sure Docent Jakub Cigler will tell you much more about how the competition works. Thanks.
Thank you very much to our Dean. I think that I have just little to add because everything important was already said. It's honor to say a few words about this competition from the position of the head of Department of Spatial Planning, who is responsible for organizing this competition. It's already nearly 3 decades of this competition, and during that time, the competition proved to be valuable, especially in giving exclusive opportunity to compare various teaching approaches and to learn across the participants, across the participating universities. And we very appreciate it, and I think this is our future goal to even improve this role of the competition. But everything can be done only because of students, because we have today 69 entries. So I would like especially to congratulate all the students who were brave enough to submit their entries, and I hope they will get valuable feedback. In the jury put some notes at the end of each project, so I hope that students will get also valuable feedback. Also, I would like to thank all the members of jury, because it was a really heavy burden to evaluate 69 projects. So I would like to thanks especially to chair of jury, Eva Němcová, landscape architect. And then I would like also to thank our partners, participating universities, and my colleague Vítěz will name them especially, each of them. And I would like to thank to organizing committee, which is for a long time led by my colleague Vítěz, and also by Zuzana Poláková, Marie Lišková, and Jiří Kugl, also from the CTU, for Faculty of Civil Engineering, CTU. I would like also to stress that the competition was established by our formal Department of Urbanism, which was led by Docent Mužík, which is here also present. So I would like to thank for that marvelous idea in 94, 95 to start this competition. And I think that competition still fulfilled the original goals that was embedded in that. That means the learning across the universities. So enjoy that event. You're invited also to follow us during the discussion and the presentations of the winning entries, and enjoy the event.
Thank you very much. Allow me just to add some facts. As it was mentioned, the competition has been established almost 30 years ago with universities in Czech Republic and Slovakia, and gradually we added university from Poland, from Wrocław and Gdańsk, as well as in Hungary, in Budapest. We also plan to expand, so hopefully next year there will be newcomers, maybe from Bulgaria, Romania, eventually from Germany. And this is because of our contacts with National Association of Urban Planners. There are 4 basic associations from Czech Republic, Slovakia, Hungary, and Poland who helped us to contact the university and who also nominate jury members, as one of the mission of that competition is to combine academic staff and practitioners from planning practice. And so that the majority on jury is always composed of persons nominated by National Planning Association. As it has been already mentioned, the head of the jury was Eva Němcová from the Czech Republic. Another members were Jakub Cigler from Jakub Cigler Architekti, Jiří Kugl from Faculty of Civil Engineering, Karol Gorner from Faculty of Architecture in Bratislava, Árpád Szabó from Faculty of Architecture in Budapest, Péter Szaló representing Hungarian Urban Society, Daniel Piotrowski representing Society of Polish Town Planners, and Martin Baloga representing Association of Planners of Slovakia. And in the same time, he is a board member of the European Council of Town Planners, which is an association unifying all town planning bodies in Europe, which also supports this competition. So now all the facts has been set, and I'd like to ask a colleague of mine, Zuzana Poláková, and we will come to awarding the winners. I'd like to ask also my colleagues to help me. Prosím, přijďte všichni sem ke mně. No, and now we start from which place? Because I don't know.
Dear friends, it is a great honor for me to announce the awarded students and, of course, their project of the 28th International Student Contest Urban Design Award. First, the awards will be announced in a known particular order, and then we will move on to the prizes. For each award, I will read an extract from the jury's statement. But before I move on to the awards, I would like to announce the project that the jury has given a special award to, the special mention. This project is very valuable in that it presents an important alternative approach to improving the quality of public space in cities, towns, and brownfield sites today. In short, wherever our civilization has left a devastated environment that is difficult and costly to remedy. Unfortunately, the standard urban green regeneration methods used today often lead us into complex, intractable bureaucratic traps, and the present proposal offers a very straightforward and essentially inexpensive solution. So the special mention of the jury comes to Nina Olekšáková, Eliška Steinerová, Polina Demovičová, Kristýna Molnárová, and Tomáš Koudelka from Faculty of Architecture of Brno University of Technology for the project Not So Lost Sight, which was led by Gabriel Kopáčik. So where are the students? Yeah. Please. No, ale máme na to. The award was granted for an exemplar of modern urban planning, blending contemporary design principles with the existing urban fabric. This proposal excels in integrating the 15-minute city concept, ensuring accessible services and amenities within a short commute, thus promoting an interconnected urban layout. This holistic, innovative approach underlines the project's commitment to creating a livable, resilient, and sustainable urban area, setting a benchmark for future urban development initiatives. The award comes to Petr Szaló for the project Prague Krajská zahrada, the new Garden of Eden, which was led by Veronika Schindlerová's design studio from Faculty of Architecture of Czech Technical University in Prague. So where is Petr? He is not here because he is in Stockholm. So please, Veronika Schindlerová, can you? Then the jury awarded the project of the revitalization and densification of a low neighborhood area, which was led by the new tram line. The students count on the possible intensification on the surroundings blocks with a less car-dependent development and a series of community and green-oriented developments. The award comes to Gergely Benz Bodnar and Balint Biro for the project From Workers' Village to Hicktown, which was led by Juliana Szabó from Faculty of Architecture of Budapest University of Technology and Economics. Congratulations. Now we move to the prizes. The jury has decided that 2 of the projects deserved the third prize. First one is for the project which deals in a rather innovative way with the complicated task of designing a new large holiday resort in Croatia. Instead of going the traditional way of placing a system of large volumes of hotels along the coast, it brings a much more gentle, more sustainable, and very context-aware design solution. So the third prize comes to Lukáš Motl and Jan Vařička for the project Mirror's Garden, which was led by Luboš Knitl and Petr Ledl studio from Faculty of Civil Engineering of Czech Technical University in Prague. Congratulations. The next third prize was awarded for an innovative typology for the transitional urban fabric between dense urban and fragmented suburban environments. The multi-scale work, which deals with urban landscape and building design, is a proper solution for low-rise, high-density developments, which correspond to sustainable urban planning, human and nature-based solutions. How it is written by the authors, the created typology can provide a peaceful urban life for those who do not want to move to the suburbs. The third prize comes to Flora Fanny Imre, Hanga Isabella Repert for the project Revolus Houses, which was led by studio of Árpád Szabó from Faculty of Architecture of Budapest University of Technology and Economics. So congratulations. Yeah, we have the girls in online, so congratulations. The second prize comes to Maria Dvorska. Oh, sorry. So I I said before. So the second prize comes to Maria Dvorska and Timotej Hlaváček and Mario Melek for the project below 350, which was supervised by Boris Rechenkov from Faculty of Architecture of CTU in Prague. Congratulations. And I will read the jury in the project, which was awarded by the second prize. The jury appreciated the work's complexity, the analysis of the territory, the graphic presentation, but above all, the application of appropriate urban planning principles that can bring a new quality to the city and make the city more sustainable. The main principle of the proposal is intensification focused not only on densification by buildings, but as on an overall increase of land use efficiency. And here comes the winner. The jury of this project appreciated an especially very in-depth analysis of the researched area. The nature of strategic interventions was properly indicated for key areas. The presented master plan contains well thought out urban planning interventions increase in quality of life in the area's inhabitants. The visualizations presented accurately show the atmosphere and character of the activated space. So please, the first prize comes to Mateusz Baranovsky and Maja Stankovská for the revitalization of Podgorze district in Wolbřich, which was led by Anna Malachowicz from Faculty of Architecture, Polytechnical University in Wrocław. Congratulations.
So now you know how you placed. Just for guests, nobody knew the awards and prize list, so it's a surprise for everybody here. We kept it secret, and with that, the ceremony is closed. But we would like to invite all the guests, not only the awarded teams, but also our colleagues, to the meeting room in the second floor, where there will be a short presentation of each of awarded projects, which should begin in about 10 minutes and 1:30. So please join us and see you in 10 minutes. There is also a small refreshment prepared for all of you. And adjacent, there is prepared an exhibition of all awarded projects. Thank you very much. Thank you for your attention. Also for our guests visiting us on internet. The seminar will be also streamed, so you can stay with us in a few minutes. Thank you very much. Thank you for coming, and see you next year.